In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create auto layout in Figma. Auto layout is a powerful feature that makes your designs responsive and adaptive, so items automatically rearrange as content or frame sizes change. Think of it as telling Figma how elements should stack and space themselves, so you don't have to manually nudge things every time text grows or a button label changes. Start by selecting what you want to organize. This could be a text layer and an icon that should sit together, a set of buttons that belong in a row, or any group of objects you want to behave as a single, flexible unit. You can even apply auto layout to an empty frame if you prefer to set up the structure first and add content later. Now, add auto layout. The fastest way is the keyboard shortcut. Press Shift plus A. Figma will wrap your selection in a layout frame. If shortcuts aren't your thing, look to the right sidebar. Under the Auto Layout section, click Add Auto Layout. You can also right-click your selection and choose Add Auto Layout from the menu. No matter which method you use, the result is the same. Your selection becomes a frame where items stack and adapt automatically, instead of overlapping or drifting out of place. Once auto layout is applied, you control how everything behaves inside that frame. Set the direction and flow so items stack vertically, one below another, or horizontally, in a row. Figma will make an initial guess based on your selection, but you can switch the direction at any time from the right panel. This is especially helpful when you want to turn a column of tags into a row, or vice versa, without rebuilding the layout. Here's why auto layout is so useful. Frames adjust themselves when you add, remove, or resize items. If a button label gets longer, the button can grow while maintaining consistent spacing. If you duplicate a card in a list, everything reflows cleanly. It's ideal for buttons, cards, lists, navbars, menus, and any UI element that needs to adapt to content changes. A couple of tips before we wrap up. If auto layout doesn't seem to apply, make sure you've selected at least one layer or group. Nothing happens if nothing is selected. And remember, once auto layout is in place, you can fine-tune spacing, padding, alignment, and resizing behavior from the right sidebar to match your design system. That's it. With auto layout, you design once and let Figma handle the busy work.